If you have a 1999 to 2014 GM truck with an LS-based engine and you're looking for more performance, we have three options for you. The first one is our 370 cubic inch LY6 truck engine. That engine makes between 450 and 530 horse. We got a few different cam options. It'll make between 525 and 550 foot-pounds of torque. The next option, if you're looking to get a little more aggressive, we have a 416 cubic inch engine. That we have a 550 to 600 horsepower package. That engine typically makes 570 to 600 foot-pounds of torque. And if you're looking to go all out, we offer a boosted version. So we do a 408 cubic inch with the LY6 block with either a Whipple 2.9 or a Whipple 3.0. Those packages are 850 to 1,000 horsepower, and those will make about 950 foot-pounds of torque, which will pretty much shred any tire. These engines come as a direct fit, so that's the first thing, was we're actually building these specifically for your truck. So if you got a 2000 Silverado, we're going to build the engine with the correct components inside to match your computer, your wiring harness, your front accessories will bolt on, so everything's going to be a direct drop-in. These engines also come dyno tested, so they come fully broken in. We run the engines for about 4 hours, we change the oil twice, we cut and inspect filters. We actually do a nice little dyno video, or if you're local, you can come down and see it run in person and take it home the same day. After that, there's no core charge, so we're selling you the engine outright. There's no sales tax, comes with full tech support to help with the install, and they come with a 1-year warranty. If you're looking for something a little different than what we offer here, we do custom engine building, so we can set up an engine package that'll meet your needs. So if you have any questions, feel free to email us or call us direct, and we'll be happy to help.